Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the NSS Charger 2022 battery burnisher. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to help keep your machine running at peak performance and help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So we need to replace the 90 amp circuit breaker because it's gone bad. First thing you want to do, whenever you're messing with the electrical system, you always want to disconnect the battery pack from the machine. Next, we're going to remove the back panel. And then we are going to unplug the battery meter. Now that we've exposed the circuit breaker, take a 10mm wrench and go ahead and take off the wires from your circuit breaker. Now that we have the wires disconnected, what we're going to do is we're going to hold the circuit breaker like this, and there is a nut that we're going to take off on the opposite side. Just like that. And now you can slide the damaged circuit breaker out. Get your new 90 amp circuit breaker and just reverse the steps to install. Put it back in. Tighten that nut back down. And now let's put your leads back on the circuit breaker. Just like that. Now you want to make sure that your wires are nice and secure. Then we're going to take our back panel and plug our battery meter back in, and then put our back panel on the machine, and then we're going to plug our battery pack back in. And you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below, or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.